Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you how I do my nails at home. You don't need acrylics, no damage to your nails. You just need the Kiss Salon Color package. I usually get them in like a nudish color. That's been my favorite lately. But these are amazing, and I get the short ones so I can still function with my life. But yeah, you're just gonna need some rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad. And what I do is just clean off my fingertips first so there's no like water or bacteria on my nails, because you're putting a nail on top of your fingers, so you don't want anything gross trapped in there, because you don't want a fungal infection, girl. Trust me. I mean, I've never gotten one, so yeah, I equate it to me cleaning off my fingers to not getting nail fungus, so do it. So this pack comes with glue, and it comes with a bunch of nails. You have about like I would say like a whole month's worth, like 2 applications of nails, and you have plenty of extras if one falls off or it pops off and you need a new one. There are plenty to choose from. So yeah, I just take everything out and I'm going to basically size my fingers. But yeah, first I just push my cuticles back using this stick that it comes with. This is just good for a good application because you don't want to put it on your cuticle. It can kind of hurt. And then yeah, I just dump all the nails out and I just kind of try them on, see which ones look best, which ones fit best. And yeah, I just do that until I line up a whole set of nails that fit me. So after I have all of my nails lined up, I take the glue that came in the package, twist off the little seal, and I put some glue on the nail and also on my own nail just for the best application so they really stick and you have the glue everywhere. And you want to make sure these nails are straight. There's nothing worse than a crooked nail. And this glue starts drying really quickly, so you want to act fast. If it's crooked, you want to quick pick it off and realign it. Yeah, that's definitely happened to me before, and it takes a little while once it's set for the nails to easily pop off. So yeah, just apply these one at a time. I like to go same nail from hand to hand. I don't know, it's just my process. But yeah, just keep going until all the nails are applied. I like to hold the nail for about 10 seconds to make sure it's nice and set on there. And then once all of your nails are on, you're gonna want to file them down a little bit. You could file them down as short as you want, but I just like to make them look nice and smooth and natural. So yeah, I've also filed them rounder before, but yeah, I'm just keeping them the shape that they are today. I love how they look. They didn't need much, but yeah, I just like to file them down. And then once you're finished with that, here's the finished product. I love it. They look so professional. You would never know the difference. I'm definitely wearing these on my wedding day. No doubt about it. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!